Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah. Well, hello and welcome. Oh, I should probably put my cup of coffee away. I love coffee so much. This is my, and I really love this mug. This is my Shakespeare love quotes mug. You're thinking, what does this have to do with Suzuki Violin? Nothing, because I'm just sitting here drinking some coffee. Are you ready? Have you had your coffee yet today? What? You're too young to drink coffee. Oh, well, geez, okay, that's probably true. Don't drink coffee. Maybe have some juice, though. Juice really helps. Helps kind of wake you up before your lesson, and all the sugar that's in it is a good kind of sugar. It's called glucose. Also not what we're here to learn about, but it's the kind that makes your brain feel nice and awake. So we are going to start with Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Plucking, but first we have to do a warm-up. So if you've already watched the video on how to hold your violin, let's just quickly review that. Under your chin here, the hand up around the neck. And then I'm going to start by plucking the open E string. Pluck the open E string with me 4 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Open E, 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 E. Or you could say something like 0, 0, 0, 0, and that's just fine. And then we're going to bend our finger around so that the pointer finger, finger number 1, covers up the yellow line. See, I'm skipping the white line and going right up to the yellow line. And then press it down at the point of the finger, very close to your nail, like that. And let's pluck that one 4 times together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1. And it's very important that this one be in just the right spot. We don't want it to be above that line, and we don't want it to be below that line. We want it to be just barely covering it up like that. Do that one more time. And when I say one more time, I mean 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to get our other fingers in place, let's put 2 right next to it. That's going to cover up the white line. Your fingers should be squished pretty close together. Let's do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2. Now the third finger right next to it, push it down. Now all 3 are squished close together. Looks upside down, sideways. Here's how it looks the other way, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3, 3. And then the 4th finger right next to that is going to be on my blue line. And now all 4 fingers are pushed down. This is the Pinkie primer version, so it's different than the fingerings that are usually used in Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but it's to get all of our fingers nice and used so we get some practice and start building some strength. Big, strong pinkies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, that's our warm-up. Now, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Let's start at measure number 1. It's going to start with open A string. So pluck the open A string. This is our 2nd string. 1st string, 2nd string. And it's going to play the open A string 2 times, like this. 1, 2. Or I could just say 0, 0. Your turn. And then it goes to the open E string 2 times. 0, 0. Now let's try all of measure 1. Listen to me and then repeat after me. 0, 0, 0, 0. Your turn. And then measure 2. All you need to do is put 1 down on the E string here. And we're going to pluck like this. 1, 1, 0. Now when we get to that 0, we hold it for 2 beats. So it's going to go more like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Now measure 3 is the trickiest one. We're going to put 1 on the A string, then 2, then 3 on the red line, and Pinkie on the blue line. So I have all 4 fingers down, not on my 1st string, but on the A string, the 2nd string. Got it? So we're going to start with 4, 4, 3, 3. Your turn. Then measure 4 is just 1, 1, 0 for 2 beats. Now let's go to measure 5. We're going to start with open E. This is tricky because it's on the first string. E, E, then A4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. Then measure 6. Now you might need to pause this sometimes if I'm going a little too fast. Feel free to pause and practice any part that you need to on your own. Let's go to measure 6 if you're ready. Is 3, 3, 1. Like that. 3, 3, 1 for 2 beats. Then measure 7 and 8 are the same as 5 and 6. So we start with open E. We're going to play 0, 0, and then A4. See how I got all 4 fingers there? 4, 4. Then measure 8 is 3, 3, 1. Then measures 9, 10, 11, and 12 are just like line 1. That's the same as measures 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you could do that, you can already do this. Let's try it together, nice and slow, because we're probably just starting to learn, and this can be very tricky. 1, 2, extra slow, go. 0, 0, then open E, E. Now measure 10 is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now get all 4 fingers on the A string. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 3, 3. Then 1, 1, 0. And that is how you pluck all of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. If you're ready, then you can try the whole thing on your own. If you have any questions, let me know. You can put them in the comment section. And I think you should try to do the whole song 2 more times on your own. That seems like a lot, especially at first. So if you were able to get through it, then try to do the whole thing. And if you can, try to do the whole thing without mistakes. And when you're ready, we can go on to trying this with the bow. All right, give yourself a round of applause. Good job. Remember, when stuff is new, it's extra hard. So if this felt extra hard, then just don't worry about it. It'll get a little easier with time. But still, give yourself a round of applause and 2 thumbs up. Good job. Good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's right. Nice work. Real solid.